My New Year's resolution was to participate in Dry January. I figured it would help me purge out the evil spirits of 2020. But if the first week and a half of 2021 is any foreshadowing what is to come, it is going to be a bitch of a year. And that's why I modified my plans. Now, I'm going to enjoy Dry Gin January. I think this is a resolution I can hold all year. Today's victory shot was recommended to me by my sister-in-law. It's called The Botanist. I guess I'm going to get in touch with nature. Damn. Maybe my sister-in-law does have good taste. Today's cocktail is the French 75. It was named after a 75mm Gatling gun that was used by the French in World War I. And just like the poor bastards that stepped in front of that damn thing, I am going to surrender myself to the French 75. Add a ½ ounce of simple syrup. ½ ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice. 1 ounce of gin, but first we have to have ourselves a shot. Damn! You gotta love the Dutch. The French 75. Happy Dry Gin January. Today's word of wisdom is to renovate. Renovate is to redo, repurpose, remodel, redesign, revise, remake, or redecorate. For those of you who don't recall, here's a picture from the last episode of Empires and Cocktails. Notice anything? That's right, the walls of my bar were white, and now they're blue. Why? Sometimes the only way you can move forward is to forget the past. So far, 2021 isn't making that so easy for us. At least, not on a national scale. So I took control of my own castle and sieged my own domain and rebranded this bar with the flags of Sir Ricky Bobby. Will 2021 be any different than 2020? No. This year will be referred to as 2021. The dumbasses strike back, and I can't control that. But for me, in my bar, things are going to be much quieter this year, and that's enough for me. That's white.
That's white. Go again.
That's right. The walls of my
bar were white.
3.